Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So this is the Calendly workshop. Okay, this workshop is specifically built for the free Calendly account so that you can have all the automations like send the reminders, send the reconfirmation, and send the follow-ups. Okay, across Messenger, SMS, and the email. So basically, you are enjoying having a paid Calendly account, all the features. For example, if you have a paid account, you can easily set up the workflows to send the reminders and across email and SMS. And basically you can have the same setup and with the free Calendly account. So what you can expect? First of all, what you expect is this works perfectly, as I said, with the free Calendly account, which means anyone can get this appointment automation system set up. And the second is because we are sending this in the messenger, right? So you can actually send different reminders to push the user to book appointment. So this is included in the template, and also you can once they confirmed, you can verify the appointment in the messenger, and once they confirmed, you can send the reminder through messenger, SMS, and email. Okay, and also we have a template that allow you to send the reconfirmation. So if you set this up, it will reduce the no shows so that you do not waste your time with them. And also there is a follow-up after the meeting end. And what is included is in this workshop is this is a $47 one-time payment. Okay, you can get access to all the template and all the detailed walkthrough videos. Okay, and now let me show you what is included in this course. So what you can expect is we have the template that is built for all the automations. As you can see, we have the book appointment flow, we have the reminder, we have the flows that allow you to check the appointment details, and also to send the reminders, to send the reconfirmation, to send the follow-ups. Okay, so let's go back to the flows, the template you can have once you purchase this course. Okay, so as you can see, this is all the template that we have built. This is the template that you can ask for. Let me just show you. You can select the email and the phone number, and then you can send the user to book the appointment with you. Okay, and also we set up the trigger is that for example, you can add a tag if the user enters this flow, and we have the automation that will happen is if they enter this flow, you can send them the reminder. Okay, you can send them reminder. And also we have the automation that if the user clicked that Calendly link, and also you can send a reminder. You can here we have a template that is to check appointment detail. So let me show you, because this is very important. If you do not want to buy this course and you just need to watch this video, and you can make it work with the free Calendly account. Okay, so what we do here is if the user clicked that Calendly link, we will trigger this flow, and it will wait 5 minutes, and then it will ask the user, have you booked appointment or not? Okay, if it's not, it will send the link again. If it has booked appointment, remember, since this is a free Calendly account, okay, there is limitations for the free Calendly account because you do not have the webhook information. Okay, so that we cannot receive the booked, the confirmed events or the canceled events from Calendly. So basically, we need to ask if they book appointment or not, and also we need to know which email they book appointment with. Okay, that's why we ask, did you book appointment with and this email? and they can give the new email if it's not the email they book appointment with. And after we get the email, here is all the information is a core element for this course, for this workshop. Okay, so basically the first step is, if you connect your Calendly account in, for example, in the integrations, let me see the Calendly account. I already click connect my, it's free account, so you can see it doesn't have webhook information, right? So the first step you need to do is, let me go back to check appointment detail. So first is you need to use this action, and you need to use an action is called get current user. Okay, so it's get current user, and if you connect your Calendly account, you should able to save this organization, this resource URL into the custom fields. Okay, and the second one is because we are going to use this value in the second request. In the second request is called search for scheduled events. Okay, so in this action, you will need this current URL and the resource URL from the previous step. Okay, and also you need the invitee's email. That's why I ask, that's why we actually ask them to confirm which email they book appointment with. Okay, and use these three information, and you can sort the start time by descending orders. Use this, you can actually let me test request. You can pull the event details back. Okay, that's how you can save the start of the meeting, the name of the meeting, and the end of the meeting, and also the Zoom link if you connect the Zoom in your Calendly account, and also the Calendly event URL, which is this URL. Okay, you need to save this URL because we are going to use this URL in the next step. Okay, and also we save this count, basically save this pagination result. That will tell us if we can find this appointment or not. Okay, if it's not, that means we do not find any appointment and that email address. So maybe they send the wrong email address or something. So that's the second step. Remember, you need to save this Calendly event URL because we are going to use this value to get the reschedule URL, the cancel URL, something like that in the next step. So in the next step is basically based on, do we find any appointment booked and that email address or not? Okay, if the search result that pagination is 0, that means we do not find anything. Okay, if it has some result, that means we already find the appointment booked and that email address. Usually that is only one, so I think that is 99% of the case. But if you find multiple results, then you can do some extra segmentation of here. Okay, so in the next step is you are going to use a Calendly get event invitee. Okay, in this action you will need this Calendly event URL, which is saved in the previous action. So actually using this, you can actually get, what you can get is you can get the user's name that they fill out in the Calendly, in that booking page, and also you can get the cancel URL, get the reschedule URL, and also if you have any questions in the Calendly page, you can get those questions back. For example, this is my setup. You can see I can get the name that the user filled out, and also I can get the questions and answers. Okay, I ask for the phone number, so you can see this is the phone number. You can actually save this phone number into the custom field. Also, you can save the reschedule URL, and you can also save the cancel URL. Okay, So that's everything you can get with these 3 Calendly action, because that is just how Calendly is set up. So you need to use these 3 actions so that you can save everything into the custom fields. Okay, and here we actually asked for the one-time notification, so that if the user, after they booked, if we want to send them the notification out of 24 hours, we can actually use this OTN to send that reminders. Okay, so and this is the core element of this workshop. And after you get the start of the meeting time and the end of the meeting time, you can send the automations, and you can use the date time based triggers. Okay, you can have different different time frame to send the reminders. Okay, and also you can send the feedbacks after the meeting finish, and also you can send the reconfirmation 1 hour before the meeting start. Let me go through one of the reminders we template we have. So basically, it will start by if the user have the phone number, we will send the SMS. If the user have the email, we will send the email, because these 2 channels are not restricted by the 24 hours engage window. And also we have another condition, is basically if the user opt out, doesn't want to receive reminders in Messenger, we will not send them anything. Okay, and if the user is interact within 24 hours, that's good, we can send them directly. Okay, and we also give them option, they can opt out, do not remind me, and then we will confirm, and we will add this tag. So with this tag and with this condition, they will not receive the following reminders. Okay, if the user is out of 24-hour engagement window, we will check if we have the one-time notifications with them or not. If we have, we can send them the the one-time notification, and they can also get this message. Okay, and also they can also choose to opt out. So that's for the reminders. Okay, so remember, you can get this template, you can get its much more detailed walkthrough for 47 one-time payment. And here is a reconfirmation. Okay, reconfirmation is very important. Is sometimes you get ready for the meeting and they just do not show up. Okay, so you can set up this reconfirmation, is actually ask them to confirm that they will go to the meeting. Okay, so this will actually reduce the no-shows, and it will help with your conversion rates. So it's basically the same. You can send the email, you can send the SMS, you can send the email, and in this email we will just have a button. Is if they clicked, it will say thanks for your confirmation. I will see you soon in 1 hour. Okay, it's basically will redirect them to the messenger, and also this will open the 24 hours window again. Okay, so that's how you can combine activate the user into the messenger again through SMS and through email. And here is the same. Basically it's the same. We can ask them to reconfirm in the messenger, depending on if they are out of 24-hour windows or not. Okay, this is the reconfirmation you can have. Again, much more details will be included in this in that training. And the follow-up meeting is triggered 30 minutes after end of the meeting. Okay, you can send the user SMS, you can send the user emails to ask for the feedbacks. Okay, so that's basically the template you can have. And also this is what you can get with this course. Is you can see we already have details, introductions, what you can expect, and also the checklist, what is required for this course. and also for the template and the workflow. Okay, the first step is to install the template. This is the ready-made template you can install right away, and this is each of the videos that explains each individual flows. Okay, I explained the book appointment flow, and I set up the reminders to book appointment, and also verify the appointment details. You can set up the reminders before the meeting, set up the reconfirmation automation, and also set up the follow-ups after the meeting. Okay, and so what's the next is something extra you can do to improve on based on this template. Okay, so basically that is what you can expect. It will be 47. Let me show you the link. It will be 47 one-time payment, and you can get all the template and also the detailed video walkthrough. Okay, this is all the template you can get, and this is all the videos you can get for this course. Okay, if you do not need this, and I think after watch this workshop, after watch what I explained in this video, you can set up that as well, in your UChat account. Okay, if you got any questions, you can ask in the comments below. See you guys. Bye.